welcome to Vedavartha. So today we will discuss about biometric sensor, basically fingerprint sensor. How we are using it, what are the type of sensor. Whenever we are using our phone or laptop, we authenticate ourselves using a fingerprint. Previously we are using passcode, but now the new technology came and we get to authenticate ourselves using a biometric sensor. But how it works, let's jump directly into it. In our screen, you can see there is a laptop. For example, the owner of the laptop is Alex or X or Ram, someone. But he wants to authenticate his laptop before using it. Whenever he came, he put his thumb or any other finger on the screen pad and the laptop authenticates that, okay, this is the fingerprint of Alex. Now the user is authenticated, you can use the laptop. But how machine understand that this is the fingerprint of Alex or not someone else? Because machine does not understand that physical touch or analog data. Machine only understand 0 and 1. How we are converting that touch to directly to a 0-1 or binary form? To understand this, there are 4 types of sensor: optical touch sensor, capacitive touch sensor, thermal touch sensor, and ultrasonic touch sensor. In optical sensor, what we are doing, for example, we are going to a shop. In that shop, we want to make a new Aadhaar card. At that time, that owner of the shop told us or give us machine that put your fingerprint here. Why we want to put our fingerprint here? To authenticate ourselves. For example, we lost our Aadhaar card in future. We want to authenticate ourselves that we are the owner of this Aadhaar card. At that time, this fingerprint works. But how that is working? Whenever you are putting your finger in that machine captures your fingerprint at that time. Whenever you put your finger, the spark is generated, that light is generated. That light captures your fingerprint. Once that fingerprint is captured, it uses image processing. What is image processing? Image processing use your finger patterns to convert it into digital form, that is 10 or 01 form. We can generate thousands or millions of patterns from 01. For example, my pattern is 0010. Alex pattern is 1000. Whenever I try to authenticate or use my fingerprint on his laptop, the laptop compares that Alex pattern is 0010, but someone new user pattern is 1010. That is not equal. That is different. That means authentication failed. That's how optical sensor work. Now the next one is capacitive fingerprint sensor. In capacitive fingerprint sensor, actually whenever using a mobile phone, the complete touch is based on capacitive. That single touch, whenever we remove our touch screen, the complete capacitive touch plate is there. To understand this, whenever we touch the screen of our mobile phone or fingerprint sensor, it generates an electrostatic field. What does electrostatic field do? Electrostatic field converts that field into some voltage. Once that voltage generated, that is analog voltage, we will send it to a microcontroller. Microcontroller gets some voltage, it will convert to a digital. But how it is converting to a digital, that is 01 form? There is one device called op-amp, operational amplifier. These are of type ADC. ADC means analog to digital converter. Who is from electronics background can understand this quickly. That converts analog to digital. Once it is converted into digital, we can make such passcodes. What we done previously, that 0010 is the passcode of Harsh, 1100 is a password of Alex, and then machine can identify and authenticate someone. Okay, so thank you. Hope you understand how we authenticate someone or we use passcode. What are the type of passcode sensors? That is optical sensor, optical fingerprint sensor, capacitive fingerprint sensor. If you need any separate video, what is op-amp, if we are from electronics background, what is op-amp, what is ADC, analog to digital converter, what are inductors, what are capacitor, you can let me know. We'll make a new video on this. Thank you. Keep watching and subscribe.